Good morning, everyone. Today we will present two important skills that can help you success in the TOEFL listening section. These are listening for answer in order and understanding casual conversation. Mastering this strategy will make you more confident and effective when answering listen question. I am Indah Putra Madani. I will explain anticipate the topic. Skill 23. Anticipate the topic. To improve your understanding of long talks, try to predict the topic beforehand. One useful strategy is to quickly review the answer choice in the textbook before listening. This can help you identify the general subject like history, literature, or school life. So you better prepare to follow the talk. Would you like to practice exercise to apply this skill? So by paying attention to keywords and beginning of the audio, we can easily find the topic and understand better. Thank you.
Hi everyone, today I will tell you about skill 24 from the TOEFL listening sections, which is called anticipate the questions. This skill is all about getting ready before you even start listening. The idea is simple. If you know the topic of a lecture or conversation, you can try to guess what kind of question might be asked. This helps your brain focus on important information while you listen. For example, if the topic is the history of the internet, you can expect questions like when did the internet begin or why was it created? Whatever question you have in your head about this topic, ask them. By thinking of possible questions in advance, you're more likely to catch the answer when you hear them. It's like preparing your ears and your brain to recognize useful details. In short, anticipating the questions helps you listen with purpose. It improves your concentration and increases your chances of getting the right answer on the TOEFL test. Thank you.
Hello everyone, today I want to talk about how to determine the topic when we listen to the TOEFL. Determine the topic means knowing what the speaker is talking about. We can find the topic in the first few sentences and catching important or repeated words. For example, if we hear gym, exercise, or health, the topic is probably about fitness. Or if someone say students have the problem with the time, the topic is time management. So by paying attention to keywords and the beginning of the audio, you can easily find the topic and understand better. Maybe that's all I can tell you about this material. Thank you for attention, guys. Bye bye.
Hello everyone, today I will tell you about TOEFL skill 26. In the TOEFL listening section, it's important to draw a conclusion about who is speaking, where and when the talk is taking place, what is being discussed, sample course or topic. For goal, understand the context of the conversation by imagining the situation. For example, if the recording mentions a Coca-Cola store in Atlanta, you can conclude the speaker is a tour guide, the location is Atlanta, and the time is during a tour. For exercise, listen to short talks, then answer questions based on who, where, when, and what the discussion is about.
I'm Maida Seregna and I will explain about skill 27 and skill 28. First, skill 27. Listen for answer in order. In long talks, the questions follow the same order as the information in the recording. You can choose either number 1, just listen carefully and ignore the answer choices, and number 2, or follow the questions and answer choices while listening. This strategy helps you stay focused and predict the next answer. If you ask me which one that I use the number 2 because it helps me answering the questions while listening to the conversation. Also, it makes more easier for me. Second is skill 28. Understand casual conversation. Focus on the main ideas and detail of short conversations. Also, in this skill 28, there are common question types, which is what are the speakers discussing, what is the problem and solution, and when or where does something happen. The test might also ask about vocabulary, idioms, or grammar used in context. Is it hard? No, of course not. All you have to do is understanding casual conversation is essential for the TOEFL test, especially in the listening section. The conversations are short but packed with information. If you can catch the key points, you can answer the question more easily and accurately. What are the key points? Well, the key points is number 1, main ideas. What is the general topic or purpose of the conversations? Number 2, details. What specific information is given? And number 3, problems and solutions. Is someone confused or having a problem? How it's solved? Number 4 is time and place. When or where does something happen? And number 5 is vocabulary, idioms, grammar. Occasionally, the questions ask you to understand the meaning of a word or expression used in conversation. Alright guys, that's it from us. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and see you guys later. Bye bye.